Okay, last one. So I'd like to announce one final McGovern Award recipient, and I am honored to read a selection of this physician's nominations myself. One colleague commented on how he is always willing to lend a hand. There are so many occasions, quote, "There are so many occasions over the past several decades that I've called on him for advice or asked him to meet with an individual in our department. He responds immediately, offers to meet with the individuals, assesses the issues, and then works directly with the individuals or providers, or provides access to other resources to get the help that's needed." Another colleague noted how he cares for the caregivers as a group and individually. He is the one hospital leadership turns to in a crisis. He was here for our staff after the Rhode Island nightclub disaster, and he provided endless support to caregivers after the Boston Marathon bombing. He is here for the times when there is more personal suffering, offering guidance upon return to work of a staff member after the death of her husband, providing solace to an individual going through a family crisis, providing support to a physician unfairly targeted in a malpractice suit. This other colleague agreed. This physician plays an unsung role in support of professionals in our institution who require assistance in the course of their work at MGH. In that domain, he has touched every department and likely many hundreds or more of individuals over the 29 years since he co-founded the Employee Assistance Program at Mass General Hospital. At a time when physician burnout affects such an appallingly high number of our physician workforce, his efforts are all that more important and notable and deserving of recognition. The personal care and attention that he brings to every case, individual referred to him, and the wonderfully complete and wise advice he provides to those of us in leadership positions in the hospital when we call on him to help us with challenging physician behavior issues are absolutely remarkable. I will add these thoughtful remarks from Britt Nicholson, who could not be here tonight. This physician is gracious and responsive no matter the timing, inconvenience, or enormity of the request. When we share the care of a patient with him, we truly don't worry alone. We know he is in the boat with us, helping to steer the patient's course to health. He makes us feel valued as colleagues and communicate that it's a privilege to share the care of our patients, no matter how difficult or challenging the case. This is not the first time this physician has been nominated. However, in the past, he has actually declined the nomination so that he could continue to chair the McGovern Award nominating committee without conflict. This is one of the more selfless acts that helps support his colleagues. He more than meets the criteria for the award, and so it's my pleasure to announce that Dr. John Herman is a 2019 recipient of the McGovern Award for Clinical Excellence. That's for you. Okay. You get to keep it. I'll keep it on my desk. You get to keep it. All right, thank you. Oh, no.
Thank you very much.
There we go.
Okay.